Hey friends, welcome to the Bobilon YouTube channel. We continue our beginner crochet course, and today I'll show you how to make a double treble crochet stitch. Here is our foundation chain. Now first make 3 turning chains. These stitches help you reach the correct height. Now yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook, skipping the turning chains. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You'll have 3 loops left. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and pull through the last 2 loops. That completes your double treble crochet stitch. To continue, yarn over twice again, insert your hook into the next chain and repeat the same steps across the row. Great job! Now you know how to crochet a double treble stitch. See you in the next lesson.